how it ends.
Travelers all on a journey at sea that were seeking adventure and their destiny. With the help from their mystical and lovable guide, they found heroes and villains and lots more besides. Who here was inspired by a hero on their journey? Bowen, I know you were inspired. What do you think makes a hero? Sacrifice. Yes, sacrifice indeed. Because to be a hero, you don't always have to save the world, but you just have to make it a little better. Now, I know some of you enjoy straying from the path. Who here admits to participating in some villainy? Yes. Quite a few of you colored me surprised. Except for you, Coffee. We all saw that one coming. The path towards destiny is a winding one. There will always be challenges along the way, but there will also be opportunities to be inspired by great heroes. To be tempted by wicked villains. To go the distance to find your purpose.
For a true hero isn't measured by the size of his head, but by the strength of your heart.
To seek a short-term fulfillment like pirates. The choices we make become our story. For some, that story becomes legend. And for others, perhaps, the story isn't quite as clear.
I ask you this, heroes, villains, good, evil. Is it ever really as simple as that? I think you'll find that somewhere in the middle is where true mystery can be found. Keep everyone guessing.
At the beginning of our journey together, you chose to seek your destiny. Did you find what you were looking for, Bowen? Yes. Did you, Coffee? Yes. Did all of you? Of course you did. Stories help us make sense of the world and our place in it. They connect us to one another. They remind us of who we are and who we are meant to be. But they do not define our destiny. Only you can do that. The destiny you searched for was always within. Choose fate and let your story be